Hello, welcome to Rear Facing Toddlers. My name is Margaret. This car seat is the Stretch, the new seat from BeSafe, a rear facing car seat that is suitable for children aged roughly 6 months to 6 or 7 years. And in this video, I'm going to talk you through its features. This fully adjustable car seat can be used for babies from 61 centimeters, which is roughly 6 months old, all the way up to children who are 1.25 meters tall, and that's the average height of a 7-year-old. For babies from 61 centimeters up to roughly 2 years old, the car seat comes with a padded insert, which is easily removed for older children. The chest pads have rubber backing, which helps keep them in place on the child's shoulders. They also have a magnet in the corner, which you can stick onto the side of the seat, and that keeps the straps out of the way and makes it much easier to get the child in. In order to allow the Stretch to grow with your child, the headrest and harness height can be adjusted to 10 different positions. And you do this simply by pulling the ring at the top of the headrest and sliding it up or pushing it down. Because the Stretch can be used all the way from 61 centimeters up to 1.25 meters, which is about 6 months to 7 years, I have taken some pictures of children of different ages showing the range that this car seat can cover. The Stretch has 5 recline positions which are adjusted with a lever located here under the bottom of the seat. This is the most reclined position, and it's got 5 all the way up to fully upright. The BeSafe Stretch has adjustable legroom, and you adjust it by moving the anti-rotation bar back. You squeeze a lever here at the top and you can adjust it all the way from in to as far out as it will go, which is here, and that gives you 26 centimeters of legroom. Whether or not you will be able to install this seat with the full 26 centimeters of legroom does depend on how much space there is in the car and also on how tall the front passenger is. The further forward the front passenger seat can go, the more legroom you will be able to give the child. In this car, a Vauxhall Corsa, the maximum amount of legroom I was able to achieve with the front seat all the way forward was the middle of the 5 positions, so that's the third one. And as you can see, that still gives the child plenty of room. And there is still enough room for me in the front seat, and I'm 1.70 meters tall, which is 5'7". This car is a Citroën Grand C4 Picasso, and in this one I was able to fully extend the anti-rotation bar for maximum legroom. The BeSafe Stretch is a belt-fitted car seat. The car seat belt feeds through this white ring with a green indicator on it from the side into the middle. The belt then passes through the white ring on the other side of the car seat and buckles in. And then you tighten up the tensioner until it closes and the belt pulls tight. Tether straps pull out and attach to the metal ring on the end of the strap that's attached to the seat rail. The support leg drops down to the floor and the indicators turn green when it locks into place. The BeSafe Stretch is available in 7 different fabrics and colours, and this light blue one is called Cloud Melange. As well as the 1.25 meter height limit, the BeSafe Stretch also has a weight limit of 36 kilos, which is much higher than most other car seats, most of which go up to 25 kilos. This growth chart shows the height of boys aged 5 and over. I have marked the most common car seat height limits in red. Now, as you can see, 1.25 meters is the average height of a 7.5-year-old boy. And this is a weight chart of boys of the same age. And again, I have indicated the most common car seat weight limits in red. And this shows that a boy who weighs 36 kilos is on average 11.5 years old. So that means that you can more or less disregard the weight limit, because it's very unlikely that a child of 1.25 meters is going to be anywhere near 36 kilos in weight. There is a more detailed step-by-step installation video, and the link to that one is in the description below this one. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time.